Good morning, y'all. So today is Sunday. It's our last full day here in Miami. We are about to go shopping a little bit, go to Rainbow Room, to Co Factory, and maybe the mall. I didn't pack a regular bra, so I have to go get me one because I thought I was getting my boobs done. But yeah, so I'm about to go and get an outfit for our gun range because I didn't really pack for vacation. I packed to be laying around because I just got out of surgery. But yeah, you know, shit happens. But this is my, y'all excuse the background. This is my dress that I'm wearing today. I want to wear this to the gun range, so that's why I'm about to go find me an outfit. But that's how we doing. They about to come out. We about to go ahead and leave, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the watch this. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's definitely hotter today than the other days that we've been out and about, which I don't mind because we were actually out and about the other days, and today we don't really have to be out in the stores. What are y'all out there for? Y'all, it's hella people just standing out here, and I'm confused why. Crossing. Well, let's just get some shopping in real quick at Rainbow. Mask up. I like that. Y'all, it's gonna be hella more cute stuff here because we down in Miami versus in Ohio. I'm excited. So let me go ahead and shop, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. I want something, something like for the gun range, right? And then I need something for dinner. Yep. I don't even know what to get. This is a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, we just left Rainbows. I got me like an all black biker shorts and like a top. And I'm gonna dress it up with some white accessories because we gotta wear gym shoes. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We gotta go to the mall and get them some jewelry because I guess their piercings things fell out. Ain't no flash on, okay. Make sure my flash wasn't on. What's up, y'all? I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but we are at the gun range and I'm ready to get started. So we got Shalee and Dre in here. We are ready. We got our gun here, we got our bullets, our target. I'm ready. I can't get my bullets. Good. You're cooking. Okay. It's supposed to be like that. Okay. Put it down. And you let your nails on by pushing down. Okay? So I don't think yeah, you did good. Right here. You did good. Good enough to chamber. Go ahead, take it down. Okay, so this one was further back. I got him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the head, 1 twice in the shoulder, 1 in the shoulder, with the arm, got him in the chest. Right? Yeah. I wasn't finger, 1 her in the finger. I wasn't shooting for her. Second one, I was shooting for
hers too. So I got him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the head, once in the shoulder, once in the arm, once in the abdomen. Shot her in the stomach, which I was shooting for. Got her in the waist. Got her in the, well, I meant this stuff in her hand. Got her 1 time in the head. I was aiming for her eye, but I got her.
Alright, y'all, so we just got back from the gun range. It was fun. Did y'all have fun?
I did.
Yeah, Kahleia?
Yeah. I wish I had a bigger
Can you turn the music down? What'd you say?
I wish I had a bigger gun.
A bigger gun?
Yeah. I think I did good though. I mean, I started off with the smaller one, but I took a bigger gun.
Right. It was fun. Like, I got my good shots in. I already showed y'all. But what we about to get into now?
That guy that was next to us shooting a rifle was scared. Every time he would shoot it, I would.
Oh, I ain't hear his too much. He did have that big ass rifle. That thing was huge, y'all.
Alright, what y'all want to do now?
I don't know.
Y'all want to go to the Hard Rock? I mean, I really don't care. Me neither.
What's at the Hard Rock?
Just like a nice, I don't know what would be there.
Do you eat there or is it like
probably
a museum?
Got a museum, probably food.
But y'all want to eat there for dinner and
still?
stuff?
Be a casino. I could care less where we eat for dinner.
Yeah, me
Do y'all feel like changing or anything? You do? You want to see the picture?
No, I mean, we don't have to go somewhere to take photos. You know what I'm saying?
Good point.
So we can just go eat.
Okay, where y'all want to eat? I mean, but I know you wanted to go out to.
So y'all, we're on our way back to the hotel because we're going to go get changed and get some hibachi. But y'all, there's a freaking 7-Eleven. Where's my mask? Yes, I just want to, but y'all, I've been wanting icy all this whole trip.
That's true. You did say that.
I want an icy slushy something. And I hope they got them in here, y'all. It's my first time going to a 7-Eleven. I heard they got good convenient food too, but we about to eat hibachi, so I just want the icy. We all going in?
I'm not.
Alright.
You want me to?
It's okay. So you going in with me? I said I'm going in with myself. Gotta put that mask on. Coronavirus. No, we ain't got no cash. Thank you so much. No. I don't have any cash, honey. I'm sorry. Maybe. Let me see. I got you. Okay. Hi. What should we get, homeboy? Some wings? What would you think homeboy would want?
Yeah.
Some wings. Can you grab them for me? We're gonna get homeboy. Oh, well, we'll tell them when we get up there. Okay. Let's see. Do they have ices here? Oh, they don't work. Y'all. They're not working. I'm sad. How do you get him some food, though? Homeboy out there, we're gonna buy him some wings. Even though they ain't got no icy here. Dang, I'm salty. Okay. What if they too hot? You know what I'm saying? Should we just get pizza? Yeah, pizza works.
You get two for $2.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna give him some pizza. Yeah. Alright. You just stand over on that side. Go ahead, baby.
You're welcome.
Some pizza. I'll just good for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, he's licking his lips. Let's get in his car.
Oh shit. Who's grabbing your booty now?
Honey, that man. Hell yeah, he is. Let's go. Let's go.
The bun?
Yes. I got him a slice of pizza. He asked me, well, he was like complimenting me heavy on the way in. Can you buy me some food? He ain't asked for money, so I was like, okay, I give you a slice of pizza. It was $2. He was like, man, you got it. Keep up the good work. I got my body. Keep up the good work. I'm ready to f this hibachi up. Like,
I just want vegetables. I want zucchini.
I
and broccoli.
Yes.
Some chicken.
I want some noodles.
Some steak and some shrimp.
We about to smash you all. So we about to go home and change, and then on our probably when we get to Hibachi, I'll pick y'all back up. Turn the lights on up there, y'all. Hold on. OMG. Let me just tell y'all what just happened. Y'all, it's beyond storming out here. It's raining so hard. It's lightning like crazy, thunder, everything. So we were gonna go to this place here called Sushi Saki. We called, they was doing the dining and everything. Why me and Shalia, it's pouring, y'all. We run to the door and it's pouring. And then Jaria waited a little bit, and then they told us that the dining was closed because of the weather. So we're telling Jaria to go back to the car, but she's like, why? Looking down, getting wet. Everybody is soaked city, like we are soaked.
Look how foggy it is.
So we have no idea what we're about to eat now, but we took pictures, so us getting this wet is okay, cause y'all, we are wet. But that is so much fun. That was funny. Alright y'all, we are back from being wet and cold at the sushi place. I mean, yeah, it was a sushi place. But we got hibachi. I'm gonna show you my food. I got steak and shrimp underneath here somewhere, noodles and fried rice. We got a cup of wine here that we're sipping on. Jay and Shalia got the same thing, some type of pineapple shrimp. Open yours, Shalia. Yeah, they got the same thing with some yum yum sauce. I got yum yum sauce, eel sauce. I guess 2 yum yums. I didn't ask for 2, but thank you. And yeah.
They probably are yum yum. They probably is.
Y'all got 6 sauces. They just hooked me up. Remember you said make it 6?
Oh yeah, I said it.
Alright, I'm gonna try this food. Whew, I'm gonna say my prayer.
Thank you, Jesus.
Amen. We made it back safe, y'all. That was scary.
It was. It feels so good to be back safe.
Yeah. Ooh, I don't even know if I like that eel sauce.
I'm telling you, all sauces don't be created equal.
Yeah, it's good. It's just not as thick as last night's. Oh, is there something in there? Look, open the door.
Yeah, there is some in there.
That one was good. Just a little bit of yum yum, because I'm not.
I don't know which one is which.
Yeah. I asked for soy and they didn't even give me soy. That's what the other sauce I asked for, not yum yum. But here's some soy because they had sushi the other night. Y'all need some soy? And then, the thick eel sauce. Yum. You said what? Is it good, y'all? Alright, y'all.
Oh, I'm really hungry.
Alright. We gotta do it right, y'all. Y'all want a bite? Go ahead. Dang, y'all greedy. Oh my god. But have your mama, because I'm a sniper. This is good. This is bomb. This is what I wanted. All I ever wanted. And we have some wine. I've never had this kind. Oh, I like it. Oh, it slid right in my hand. This is the kind we're drinking, y'all. But, oh, you got it, Shalia? I'm about to go ahead. This rice, though. The rice is good. I'm going to go ahead and finish my food, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we are on our way to what's it called? A sugar factory to eat before our flight. We got the chicas So we're on our way to Ocean Drive. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the Sugar Factory, but it's copyright music, so we're just gonna have to montage this lunch, but I'm here, I'm feeling fabulous, I'm looking fabulous. I'm gonna definitely catch y'all when our food and drinks get here and stuff, so. We just left Sugar Factory. The food was delicious. It really was. The drink was good too. We are headed to the airport now. We're gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the Miami trip. Jay, how was your food? Good. Good. Shalia, how was your food? Just the thumbs. And then we go turn down here. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna definitely catch you on my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and I'm gonna catch you on our next video. Peace!
Bye! Have a beautiful time!